When it comes to enhancing the beauty, comfort, and value of your home, few updates have as significant an impact as window and door replacement. In Silver Spring, Maryland, homeowners are increasingly turning to professional window replacement and door installation services to improve their properties. Whether you're renovating an older home or simply looking for an upgrade, here are the top benefits of Silver Spring window replacement and doors for your home. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the most notable advantages of replacing windows and doors is the boost in energy efficiency. Older windows and doors, especially those with single-pane glass or worn-out seals, often allow drafts and air leaks. These inefficiencies cause your heating and cooling systems to work harder, driving up energy bills. Modern window and door options come with advanced insulation technologies, such as double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and gas fills that trap air and prevent heat transfer. By replacing your windows and doors with energy-efficient models, you can reduce your home's heating and cooling costs, maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, and lower your carbon footprint. Improved curb appeal. Windows and doors are key architectural features of any home. Outdated or damaged windows can make your house look worn down, while new, stylish windows and doors can dramatically boost your home's curb appeal. Whether you opt for traditional wood windows, sleek modern vinyl, or bold custom doors, there's an array of options to complement your home's style. In Silver Spring, where homes vary from classic colonial to contemporary designs, a window and door replacement allows homeowners to personalize their homes and make a lasting first impression. The right windows and doors can enhance the aesthetic of your home and make it stand out in the neighborhood. Increased home value. If you're considering selling your home in the future, window and door replacement is an investment that can significantly increase your home's market value. Potential buyers often seek homes with energy-efficient features and updated, attractive windows and doors. Studies show that home improvements, such as installing new windows and doors, can yield a high return on investment, ROI. Whether you're selling soon or planning to stay long-term, new windows and doors can make your home more appealing to potential buyers, helping you recoup a significant portion of the costs when it comes time to sell. Better security and safety. Another essential benefit of replacing your windows and doors is improved security. Older windows and doors may have weak locks, broken seals, or outdated glass, making them easier targets for intruders. Modern windows and doors come equipped with high-quality security features, including multi-point locking systems, reinforced frames, and shatter-resistant glass. These upgrades not only help deter burglars but also offer greater peace of mind for homeowners. Additionally, replacing windows and doors can also improve the safety of your home by offering features like tempered glass, which reduces the risk of injury in case of breakage. Noise reduction. Living in a busy, bustling area like Silver Spring can come with the challenge of constant noise from traffic, neighbors, and other sources. New windows and doors with soundproofing qualities can help reduce the amount of noise that enters your home, providing a more peaceful living environment. Upgrading to double or triple pane windows with sound dampening technologies can significantly lower the amount of outdoor noise that reaches your interior, allowing you to enjoy more tranquility inside your home. This benefit is especially appreciated for homeowners who live near busy streets or in densely populated neighborhoods. Low maintenance and durability. Modern windows and doors require far less maintenance than their older counterparts. Many new window materials, such as vinyl and fiberglass, are designed to be low maintenance, resisting fading, peeling, and warping. Additionally, these materials are highly durable and can withstand harsh weather conditions, which is essential in Silver Spring's climate, where winters can be cold and summers humid. By choosing high-quality, durable windows and doors, you can enjoy long-term performance without the need for frequent repairs or upkeep. This saves you time, effort, and money in the long run. Environmental impact. Replacing your windows and doors with energy-efficient models can have a positive impact on the environment. By reducing your energy consumption, you help decrease greenhouse gas emissions associated with energy production. Many of the latest window and door options are also made from sustainable materials, which further reduces their environmental footprint. By choosing eco-friendly windows and doors, you can enjoy a more sustainable lifestyle while contributing to the preservation of the planet. Conclusion. Window and door replacement offers numerous benefits for homeowners in Silver Spring, Maryland. From improving energy efficiency and reducing energy bills to enhancing curb appeal and home value, these updates can make a significant difference in your home's comfort, security, and aesthetics. Whether you're planning to stay in your home for years to come or looking to increase its resale value, investing in new windows and doors is a smart choice for both your lifestyle and your budget.